Okay, my name is Unfarama from FKIP semester 4, and this is my presentation and the title of Improving Student Speaking Skill through Task-Based Learning and Action Research at the English Department, written by Hilma Safriti, Zainal Rafli, Ratna Dewanti from Universitas Negeri Jakarta, Indonesia. Introduction. Speaking is perceived as the most prominent skills compared to three other language skills, reading, listening, and writing. People can be called as the speaker of language when they speak the language as if they include all other kinds of knowing. Most students find it difficult to express grammatically correct sentences due to the significant difference in the grammar of the native language of the student and that of the AFL. The student have limited chance to experience speaking activities in class. Problem. The student had problem in speaking due to inadequate knowledge of the language, which in turn made the student feel unconfident to speak. The students were not familiar with various speaking activities, facilitating them to speak. They read text to convey ideas and a lack of strategies when speaking. Methods. Considering all problems that make the student are not easy to speak, the research is intended to conduct a study to improve student speaking skills at the English Department of Pamulang University. The research adapts task-based learning as a model of learning in class and adopt an action research method with 3 cycles. Core focus on the common issues or the existence of problems in the classroom. Improving speaking skill. The linguistics knowledge encompasses structure, meaning, and use for types of knowledge: phonological, grammatical, lexical, and discourse. The knowledge and skills in speaking, the student need to be trained with various communication activities such as turn-taking information, gap, role play, simulation, storytelling, and drama. Methodology. 15 students are enrolled in this study. They are students of the English department in their third semester in South Tangerang, Indonesia. The students participate for of semester based on the result of an interview and observation to get the first data. It showed that students had problem in speaking due to inadequate language knowledge and lack of confidence. They had a small exposure to various speaking activities. Methodology. In phase 1, the students were introduced topic and reminded of the language, expression, and vocabulary they needed to use to complete the task. In phase 2, the student pairs and group, they started speaking through various activities from practicing simple dialogues, turn talking, gap information, interview, discussion, and short role play at the first until the 8th meeting or in cycle 1 and 2. In phase 3, the students reported their activities and were given feedback on form. They evaluated their learning and repeat some speaking activities using appropriate grammar and vocabulary. Discussion. The students are assigned storytelling, simulation, and mini dramas in the third cycle. They create stories, decide on themes, and script for mini drama in groups. The student consequently use the appropriate grammar and vocabulary. They did some improvisation while doing mini dramas. This suggests that the student is confident enough to speak English in real life communication practice. The student successfully use task-based learning to improve their speaking skill and confidence. In conclusion, the improvement of the student scores indicates that student speaking skill increase. This work is supported by the student response to the use of text-based learning. They said that undergoing text through various activities in pairs and groups works facilitates them to speak better English. They can practice simple dialogues through talking, gap information, interview discussion, short role play, simulation, and mini drama. The most important is they can evaluate their learning. Various learning experiments motivate the student to improve their speaking skills in the future. Thank you.